Welcome back to Chessy Chess, your favorite channel. Today, we will learn about some basic things you need to know to play chess. And stick around to the end to see a very cool trick. So first, let's learn about check. Check is when your king is attacked by another piece. Checks can be made in two ways. Either a piece attacks the king directly, or another piece moves out of the way of a check. If you're in check, you have to either block the check with your piece, move your king to a safe spot, or capture the attacking piece. So, this black king, I'll show you. This black king, when it's attacked by the rook, it's in check. And you mark check with a plus. And the black king has to either move away. It has to move away. Let's just make another position. Let's put some pawns just for, detail. Okay, so here the king can move out of the way of the check. It can block the check. Or it can capture this rook. And this puts that king in check. Next, let's learn about checkmate. So, checkmate is like check, except in checkmate, you can't protect your king. So here, black is in checkmate because the black king can't go anywhere and it is in check. This can happen due to being trapped in the side, because here the black was trapped on the side. Or losing too much pieces. The black only has its king, while the white has a rook and a queen. It can also happen in many more reasons. What are the stages of chess? We have opening, middle game, and end game. So I'm going to show you an example game. This is opening. This is when the pieces get ready for the game. You know, we take out our pieces. We can do that. Some capturings do happen here, but not as many as in other stages. Like maybe, for example, we take our pieces out and attack. Get ready to attack. We might lose some pieces. Okay, by now, we have transitioned into the middle game. So as you can see, a lot of the pieces have moved or helped other pieces move. So for example, here, Let's say we move like this. Black plays and white also plays. So you get their, like major pieces out. Right now, we're in the late middle game. So I'm just showing you what parts are when in the game. Go. I'm recording. Go. And then in middle game, there's also a lot of capturing. And like lots of stuff move around. We make some checks. We can do some moves. And then by that time, we are in the phase known as the end game. The end game is when one player might be winning if the circumstances are just right. Like in this scenario, white is obviously winning. Like here. And because we're in the end game, there are not too many pieces left. Only a few pieces are still in the game. Which white can use to checkmate black. Now, if I were to checkmate black, this video would be taking forever. So, instead, what I'm going to do is, let's just say this is the end game. Okay, so here's a chess trick. You do the protect steps of chess in this order. Capture, block, move. This strategy will prevent bad positions. If one is not possible, do the next. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our latest videos. Bye!